Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to the grocery store. I'm planning a little beach day for tomorrow with me and some friends, and so we're gonna go buy to like make s'mores and stuff. I did go to the store yesterday, got some drinks. No, not drinks, like just juices. And I'm gonna go get some drinks and s'mores to make at the beach, because we're gonna have a bonfire at the night. So you're coming with us. Okay, we got here to grocery. I'll let me leave my big old coat. I want to take a succulent, but I don't know why they always die on me. Okay, we found these. These were $6, which that's a really good price. And I got pancake batter. There was no bombones. Okay, I got the cups already, napkins, and to put like little sandwiches. Okay, here we go. Third store. Okay, I found the marshmallows. They're almost $4 each. And we got the crackers, and I'm taking a Great Value one. I need to find the chocolate. Okay, so we ended up switching the marshmallows for this ones. These are $1. Those ones were $3, so we switched those. Okay, now I'm gonna start putting everything away, like in bags, whatever we're gonna take it in. Oh, she's like in the reusable bags. Okay, so I'm gonna put these. I'm gonna put them just like that in the truck. No, I'm gonna put two in the Yoletta. I'm gonna wash it right now. Then I'm gonna put one in the truck in case we need.
Why are you packing already? What time
because I'm gonna leave around. I have to leave here around 8 or 9. The latest. Get there at 9:30. Put my bags and all that. I live like 15 minutes from here, but I wanna get there early so I could like apartar my spot. And then I'll come back and get ready, and then we'll go back. Okay, this ones, I think I'm not gonna take them out of the bag, just so I could just have it ready to go. Then I bought these to make like little sliders. We bought this bag right here that we're gonna take. This one, there it goes. Okay, this is how it's looking so far. We still need the sodas and water. Okay, we're fixing everything up already. So we just got back from the beach. We went to go put our chairs and stuff. I'm gonna start doing the sandwiches. It's already 10, but we found a spot. Hopefully my friends like the spot I chose. Okay, I'm gonna take my probiotics. I started taking the probiotic yogurt, and girl, let me tell you, I seen a difference in my bloating. I used to bloat so bad. Okay. It takes me a while to swallow it, but it's not nasty. Then I take my sea moss. I have these right here, right? This is how they look like. I'm gonna do another one right now. Finally on the way to the beach. We have the kids right here. We have sandwiches in the middle. I have the driver, and we are 22 minutes away.
Civic? Oh, son ellos. So, okay, hold on, no? Imagine he falls right there.
Ma.
Yes. Cheers.
Wait, come here. He's gonna hit you. He's gonna hit you. He's serving right there.
Para eso. I'm trying to do it.
Too much pressure. Too much pressure.
Yeah. We're gonna start the fire.
But it's not gonna work into the other one?
What do you mean?
Like if we try again, it's still gonna work?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Le estaba contando legado, pero tranquila que yo mismo me tengo amenazado. Yo sé lo que tenía, lo que no sabía es que se sentía perderlo. Si Beto lo enrola voy a prenderlo, si traen perico voy a valerlo. El coraje y la mente enredado, en el pecho tengo un trelo. Me enamoro por aquí, me enamoro por allá. Yo soy egoísmo, me pongo celoso sin razón, eso es machismo.
Where's my cookie?
We're at the fair.
Rick, you want to have right here?
Good, huh? Oh, yeah, tried it. It's okay.
Is it good?
The kids are out there on the rides now. We came to. It's a little beer tasting. It's already nighttime. We're still at the fair. I have a rosé. I literally said, "Can I get a rose?" And she's like, "Do you want a rosé?" Humble moment. 8 to 5. We have some things here that we bought, and yeah, we're right here.
You need to say something inspirational. What you want to say? Okay, so audience, you guys gonna do the countdown with me. Remember the rules. They have to finish this first. I know it's gonna get messy, but they have to finish everything. So the first person to finish the burger, the fries, and the shake, stand up. We'll tell you if you won or not, because you can't see. But you'll win $100. Second person to finish gets $50. Third person gets $25. All right? So audience, count down with me. 10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Get to eating! Oh yeah! Oh my God! Gosh, oh my gosh! Who's gonna take home third? Who's gonna take home third?
Okay, we got some pizza here. Is it good? Yeah? Okay, I wanna try it.
que las mujeres se sometan a su hombre por un...
Yes.
You wanna see me and Ricky go in there?
Huh?
On the dragon? Wanna see me and Ricky?
Yeah.
Ricky,
Did
let's
you
go.
guys get on that one? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
It was whack.
Really?
And the
You
same
guys
exact
on that
one.
one? That one?
No?
Go get on that one.
Are you guys scared?
He doesn't like one like this.